Want your sheets to have those nice tight corners like a hotel bed? Here's the easiest way to make a hospital corner. Tuck the bottom edge of the top sheet under the mattress about 12 to 16 inches from the corner. Grab the sheet hanging down and lift it up onto the mattress so it creates a 45-degree angle. Now we're going to tuck the remaining fabric hanging below and fold that under the mattress. So that's going to be this part right here. And then we're going to bring this section that we lifted up back down over the side and tuck that in. And that's it, a clean hospital corner that keeps your sheets looking neat and tucked in. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.